What happens to your body if you eat pumpkin seeds every day? Pumpkin seeds, also known as pepitas, are small but mighty powerhouses of nutrition. Packed with essential nutrients and health-promoting compounds, incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily diet can have impressive effects on your body and overall well-being. In this comprehensive video, we will explore what happens to your body if you eat pumpkin seeds every day and uncover the remarkable health benefits of these nutritious seeds. 1. Rich source of nutrients. Pumpkin seeds are a nutrient-dense food, containing an abundance of essential vitamins and minerals, including magnesium, zinc, potassium, and iron. Daily consumption of pumpkin seeds can help meet your body's nutritional needs and support various physiological functions. 2. Heart health. The magnesium content in pumpkin seeds contributes to heart health by promoting proper muscle function, including the heart muscles. Regular intake of magnesium is associated with a reduced risk of heart disease and improved cardiovascular health. 3. Immune support. Pumpkin seeds are packed with antioxidants, such as vitamin E and carotenoids, which help protect your cells from oxidative damage. These antioxidants support a robust immune system, keeping you better protected against infections and illnesses. 4. Improved sleep. Pumpkin seeds are a natural source of tryptophan, an amino acid that aids in the production of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. Consuming pumpkin seeds can contribute to better sleep quality and improved relaxation. 5. Digestive health. Pumpkin seeds are a good source of dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and supports a healthy gut. Regular consumption can promote regular bowel movements and help prevent digestive issues. 6. Bone health. The zinc and phosphorus in pumpkin seeds are essential for bone health and density. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily diet can contribute to stronger bones and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. 7. Hormonal balance. Pumpkin seeds contain natural plant compounds that support hormonal balance, particularly in menopausal women. These seeds can alleviate symptoms such as hot flashes and promote overall well-being during hormonal fluctuations. 8. Prostate health. For men, pumpkin seeds are particularly beneficial for prostate health. The compounds in pumpkin seeds have been linked to a reduced risk of prostate enlargement and potential prostate cancer prevention. 9. Energy boost. Pumpkin seeds are a source of protein and healthy fats, making them an excellent energy-boosting snack. Regular consumption can provide sustained energy levels throughout the day. 10. Mood enhancement. The magnesium and tryptophan in pumpkin seeds can positively influence mood and promote a sense of calm and relaxation. Conclusion. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your daily diet can lead to a wide range of health benefits, from supporting heart health and the immune system to promoting better sleep and digestion. These nutritious seeds are an excellent addition to any balanced diet, and their versatility makes them easy to enjoy in various dishes or as a snack. As with any dietary change, it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have specific health conditions or concerns. Embrace the power of pumpkin seeds and unlock the remarkable benefits they offer for your body, mind, and overall health. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy. And if you found this video helpful or informative, please give it a thumbs up and hit the like button. And don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks again for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.